Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In our last lecture, we have dealt with multiple choice questions based on prose and poetry section for compulsory English BA BSc Part 3, Semester 5. So today in this video, we are going to deal with multiple choice questions on the unit Employability Skills from your textbook Literary Quest. In employability skills, there are 4 topics: leadership skills, teamwork skills, time management, and stress management. So let us move on to see the first unit, that is leadership skills. And the first question from leadership skills: a good leader is always a option A, liar; option B, hero; option C, motivator; option D, cultivator. And the correct answer is option C, motivator. A good leader is always a motivator. Second question: dash dash is the key quality of a good leader. Option A, honesty; option B, dishonesty; option C, charity; and option D, poverty. And the correct answer is option A, honesty. Honesty is the key quality of a good leader. Number 3, a good leader dash dash his or her team to perform well. Option A, compels; option B, forces; option C, punishes; and option D, trusts. And the correct answer is option D, trusts. A good leader trusts his or her team to perform well. Number 4, a good leader should be able to identify dash dash and dash dash of the team members. Option A, address and phone numbers; option B, names and degrees; option C, strengths and weaknesses; option D, age and nationality. And the correct answer is option C, strengths and weaknesses. A good leader should be able to identify strengths and weaknesses of the team members. Number 5, a good leader should be able to delegate work. Here, the word delegate means option A, distribute; option B, alienate; option C, concentrate; and option D, participate. So the correct answer is option A, distribute. A good leader should always be able to distribute work. Number 6, a good leader will be a good option A, speaker; option B, communicator; option C, moderator; and option D, participator. And the correct answer is option B, communicator. A good leader will be a good communicator. Number 7, most managers nowadays prefer dash dash policy. Option A, closed door policy; option B, no door policy; option C, open door policy; and option D, two door policy. And the correct answer is option C, open door policy. Most managers nowadays prefer open door policy. Number 8, a good leader is confident of himself as well as his option A, boss; option B, team; option C, family; and option D, target. And the correct answer is option B, team. A good leader is confident of himself as well as his team. The positive leader helps to keep the dash dash of the team up. And option A is morale; option B is target; option C is aim; and option D, ambition. The correct answer is option A, morale. The positive leader helps to keep the morale of the team up. Number 10, a good leader leads by option A, warning; option B, notice; option C, suggestion; and option D, example. The correct answer is option D, example. So good leader always leads by example. A leader with a good sense of dash dash will help the team to see the bad times through. Option A is understanding. Option B is money. Option C is humor. Option D is pressure. And the correct answer is option C, humor. A leader with good sense of humor will help the team to see the bad times through. Number 12, a good leader seizes the opportunity to take option A, charge, option B, initiative, option C, decision, and option D, notice. And the correct answer is option B, initiative. A good leader seizes the opportunity to take initiative. A good leader always has dash dash attitude. Option A, can do. Option B, can't do. Option C, never do. Option D, will see. And the correct answer is option A, can do. A good leader always has can do attitude. Proper dash dash language is an unique quality of a good leader. Option A, spoken. Option B, written. Option C, body. Option D, code. And the correct answer is option C, body. Proper body language is an unique quality of a good leader. Number 14, a good leader is always dash dash in his speech. Option A, difficult. Option B, clear. Option C, unclear. Option D, obscure. And the correct answer is option B, clear. A good leader is always clear in his speech. Now let us move on to the second unit, that is teamwork skills. So the first question, to be an effective team member, one needs to develop the ability to work with people of various age, gender, educational and dash dash background. Option A is ethnic, option B epic, option C prolific, and option D heroic. And the correct answer is option A, ethnic. To be an effective team member, one needs to develop the ability to work with people of various age, gender, educational and ethnic background. Second question, dash dash is an ability to adjust ourselves with changes or new situations. Option A is capability, option B is adaptability, option C is popularity, option D is locality. And the correct answer is option B, adaptability. So adaptability is an ability to adjust ourselves with changes or new situations. Adaptability helps the team members to respond positively to option A, informal circumstances, option B, formal circumstances, option C, familiar circumstances, and option D, unfamiliar circumstances. And the correct answer is option D, unfamiliar circumstances. So adaptability helps the team members to respond positively to unfamiliar circumstances. Number 4, each member of the team needs to know his or her option A, role, option B, salary, option C, office, and option D, cabin. And the correct answer is option A, role. Each member of the team needs to know his or her role. In order to choose the best suited role, each member of the team needs to understand dash dash and dash dash. Option A is knowledge and information. Option B is strengths and weaknesses. Option C is power and possibility. Option D is income and expenditure. And the correct answer is strengths and weaknesses. In order to choose the best suited role, each member of the team needs to understand strengths and weaknesses. Number 6, team members also should be able to dash dash one another. Option A, tell. Option B, punish. Option C, question. Option D, insult. And the correct answer is option C, question. Team members also should be able to question one another. Number 7, team members can avoid conflict by being option A, scholar. Option B, smart. Option C, rigid. And option D, flexible. And the correct answer is option D, flexible. The team members can avoid conflict by being flexible. Number 8, while expressing disagreement, a team member should be dash dash and dash dash. Option A, polite and tactful. Option B, smart and intelligent. Option C, scholar and smart. Option D, polite and dumb. And the correct answer is option A, polite and tactful. While expressing disagreement, a team member should be polite and tactful. Number 9, as a team member, one should dash dash everybody. Option A, watch. Option B, respect. Option C, insult. And option D, impress. And the correct answer is option B, respect. As a team member, one should respect everybody. Number 10, a good team is brought together by a sense of option A, team loyalty. Option B, team dispute. Option C, team target. And option D, team failure. And the correct answer is option A, team loyalty. A good team is brought together by a sense of team loyalty. Number 11, team members should consider each others not as competitors but as option A, friends. Option B, enemies. Option C, collaborators. Option D, managers. And the correct answer is option C, collaborators. The team members should consider each others not as competitors but as collaborators. The third topic in this unit is time management. And the first question is, time management means to use the available time, option A, efficiently. Option B, easily. Option C, carelessly. And option D, leisurely. The correct answer is option A, efficiently. The time management means to use the available time efficiently. Number 2, time management is essential for dash dash and success. Option A, optimum utility. Option B, less productivity. Option C, optimum productivity. And option D, optimum failure. And the correct answer is option C, optimum productivity and success. Question 3, time management is done by option A, assessing workload. Option B, prioritizing. Option C, planning. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. So time management is done by assessing workload, prioritizing and planning. Number 4, the first step towards controlling the use of time is to identify and do away with dash dash activities. Option A is time saving. Option B, time wasting. Option C, time utilizing. And option D, time counting. And the correct answer is option B, time wasting. The first step towards controlling the use of time is to identify and do away with time wasting activities. Number 5, one of the benefits of time management is option A, more stress. Option B, less free time. Option C, recognition at work. And option D, poor performance. And the answer is option C, recognition at work. So one of the benefits of time management is recognition at work. Number 6, in the list of work that needs to be done, one has to number them according to their dash dash and dash dash. Option A is time and space. Option B, urgency and importance. Option C, urgency and time. And option D, time and importance. The correct answer is option B, urgency and importance. So in the list of the work that needs to be done, one has to number them according to their urgency and importance. Sticky notes, wall planners and diaries can be used to dash dash your work. Option A, plan. Option B, execute. Option C, complete. And option D, report. And the answer is option A, plan. Sticky notes, wall planners and diaries can be used to plan your work. Before you call somebody, it is advisable that you should option A, dress properly. Option B, have lunch. Option C, jot down the points. Option D, give a missed call. And the correct answer is option C, jot down the points. Before you call somebody, it is advisable that you should jot down the points. Number 9, which of the following can save your time? Option A, chatting on social media apps. B, calling friends unnecessarily during office hours. Option C, arranging your workplace properly. And option D, taking long breaks. And the answer is option C, arranging your workplace properly can save your time. Which of the following is or time wasting activities? Option A, interruption by the colleagues. Option B, too many coffee breaks. Option C, unimportant personal calls. And option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. So interruptions by the colleagues, too many coffee breaks and unimportant personal calls are the time wasting activities. Stress management is the fourth and the last unit in employability skills. So the first question, stress is caused when dash dash on us are more than we can comfortably handle. Option A, demands. Option B, memories. Option C, results. Option D, habits. And the answer is option A, demands. Stress is caused when the demands on us are more than what we can comfortably handle. Number 2, which of the following is or the sign or signs of stress? Option A is sleeplessness. Option B is exhaustion. Option C, loss of appetite or excessive appetite. And option D, all of the above. So the answer is option D, all of the above are signs of stress. Managing stress starts with option A, attitudes. Option B, hospitalization. Option C, identifying the sources of stress. And option D, taking medicines. And the answer is option C, identifying the sources of stress. So managing stress starts with identifying the sources of stress. Number 4, smoking, overeating, sleeping too much, behaving rudely, and taking dangerous medicines are dash dash ways of handling stress. Option A, proper. Option B, unhealthy. Option C, legal. And option D, useful. The correct answer is option B, unhealthy. So smoking, overeating, sleeping too much, behaving rudely, and taking dangerous medicines are unhealthy ways of handling stress. Number 5, one of the positive ways of managing stress is option A, losing temper, B, sleeping, C, listening to music, and option D, gossiping about colleagues. And the answer is option C, listening to music. One of the positive ways of managing stress is listening to music. Number 6, which one of the following cannot be a way to cope up with stress? Option A, getting away from stressful situation. Option B, eating healthy diet. Option C, taking a short midday nap. And option D, keep on working throughout the night. And the answer is option D, keep on working throughout the night. So this cannot be a way to cope up with stress. Number 7, in order to avoid stress, dash dash a situation if you cannot change it. Option A, run away. Option B, adapt to. Option C, break to. Option D, put aside. And the correct answer is option B, adapt to. In order to avoid stress, adapt to a situation if you cannot change it. Number 8, setting dash dash goals also results in stress. Option A, unattainable. Option A, attainable. Option B, realistic. Option C, unrealistic. Option D, few. And the correct answer is option C, unrealistic. So setting unrealistic goals also results in stress. So thank you so much for watching, and you may subscribe the channel if you like. Thank you very much.